Welcome to the Learning Zone. We are part of OCAD Library Services that shares components of both a library and a studio space. This is a space for you, the students, and we hope you will feel welcome here. The Learning Zone is an active exhibition, event, and workshop space open to all kinds of suggestions and ideas from students. We are also home to the OCAD Zine Library, a collection of over 2,500 zines, self-published or handmade booklets made by students, alumni, and creators from all over Toronto and the world. You will have access to Wi-Fi, desktop iMacs, black and white and color printers. Best of all, the Learning Zone always have staff working in the space, and it's very important to us to be as helpful as we can. Even if we don't have the answers to your questions, we will work to find them or direct you to the person or department that can help you. We are located at 113 McCall Street, Level 1. We look forward to the day we can welcome you back on campus. Stay safe and take care.